In Cheapest Planes, we spotlight the world of ultralight aviation, unveiling a realm where the dream of flight is not only possible, but also affordable. Number 1. Quicksilver. Created by Dick Iper in the late 1970s, the Quicksilver began as a hang glider with a rigid wing and a tail, setting it apart from its contemporaries. The evolution of Quicksilver was driven by pilots' desires for self-launch capabilities and more traditional aircraft controls. This led to the creation of the Quicksilver C, the first powered version designed for flatland pilots to launch without a hill. Over time, modifications like the addition of a seat, wheels, and a small engine, as well as the transition to 3-axis controls, culminated in the Quicksilver MX series. These aircraft, especially the single-seat Quicksilver MX, became so influential that they shaped the US ultralight rules. The Quicksilver's design continued to evolve, introducing 2-seat models for training and adapting to pilots' demands for true 3-axis control. The latest models, such as the MX Sport and MX Sprint, are constructed from anodized aluminium tubing and covered with Dacron, requiring 30 to 40 hours of assembly from the kit. Notably, the Quicksilver's operational history includes Peter Berger's record-setting flight in a modified Quicksilver MX-1 from Michigan to Florida in 1982, setting 56 world and national records. Today, the Quicksilver remains a symbol of innovation and freedom in the ultralight aircraft community, with a variety of models catering to different flying experiences and training needs. A model with a 50 horsepower engine is offered under $18,900 fully assembled. If you look well into the used market, you will find great ones for less than $10,000. Number 2. Aerolite 103. The AeroWorks Aerolite 103 made its debut in 1997 thanks to the innovative design by Terry Raber. Crafted to align with the FAA's FAR 103 ultralight regulations, this aircraft represented a blend of lightweight design and flight efficiency, with its production initially run by AeroWorks Inc. of Millersburg, Ohio. Despite a hiatus following the company's closure in 2005, the Aerolite 103 found new life in 2013 under You Fly It Light Sport Aircraft LLC in DeLand, Florida, showcasing updates like an aluminium fuel tank for modern aviators. The Aerolite 103's design reflects a meticulous adherence to the ultralight criteria, notably the maximum empty weight of 254 pounds. This aircraft is distinguished by its high-wing pusher configuration and the ability to be equipped with various lightweight engines to maintain compliance with ultralight regulations. Its assembly kit is designed for straightforward construction, with an estimated build time of 60 to 80 hours. Excluding the power plant and instruments. Throughout its operational history, the Aerolite 103 has clinched numerous accolades, including Grand Champion Ultralight at both AirVenture 1997 and Sun and Fun 1999, underscoring its esteemed place within the ultralight community. As of December 2023, 300 of these aircraft were reported to be flying, primarily as ultralights in the US, with a notable count registered as experimental amateur builds. The Aerolite 103 remains a significant entry in the ultralight aircraft category, embodying the spirit of light, accessible aviation for enthusiasts and hobbyists alike. The pricing for the Aerolite 103 starts at $11,500 for the kit and plans, indicating the initial entry cost for assembling the aircraft yourself. For those interested in specific engine configurations, the price varies. A 32 horsepower Kawasaki 340 powered Aerolite 103 is priced at $15,900, while a 28 horsepower Hearth F33 powered model is available at $16,790. In addition, a quick build kit option is offered at $17,950. Number 3. Hummel Ultra Cruiser. The Hummel Ultra Cruiser emerged from the creative mind of Maury Hummel and was brought to the aviation market by Hummel Aviation. This distinctive aircraft first took to the skies in 2000 and has been in production since, with over 150 units flying by 2022. Designed as a lighter evolution of the Hummel bird, the Ultra Cruiser aims to meet the stringent requirements of the US ultralight vehicles rules, boasting an empty weight just under the maximum limit at 249 pounds. Crafted from sheet aluminium, the Ultracruiser features a cantilever low-wing design, a single-seat cockpit that can be open or optionally enclosed, and fixed conventional landing gear with an option for tricycle configuration. It is compatible with engines ranging from 28 to 45 horsepower, although the 37 horsepower VW 4-stroke engine is typically used. Builders can expect around 420 hours of assembly time from the kit provided by Hummel Aviation. The Ultracruiser Plus variant caters to larger pilots. Equipped with a more powerful 60 horsepower Volkswagen air-cooled engine, stepping into the US experimental amateur-built category for those needing a bit more room and power. With a cruising speed of 60 miles per hour and a climb rate of 1,000 feet per minute, the Ultracruiser not only adheres to ultralight standards, but also offers an engaging flying experience. Its design prioritizes simplicity, affordability, and the joy of flying, embodying the spirit of ultralight aviation with its impressive performance metrics and straightforward construction. Ultracruiser full kit is priced at $22,087. This option includes all components needed for the airframe, such as hardware, welded assemblies, and formed aluminium parts. The kit comes with an assembled main spar, vertical tail post, and required assembly manuals. For those looking for a completely hassle-free option, the Ultracruiser is available ready to fly for $31,000. This version comes with a 37 horsepower engine and basic instrumentation including oil pressure, oil temperature gauges, tiny tack, airspeed, and altimeter. This option saves time and ensures you have a professionally built aircraft. For the DIY enthusiast or those on a tighter budget, plans for the Ultracruiser are available for $385. These plans cover all information needed to construct the airframe and now include assembly manuals. This option is ideal for those who prefer to source their materials and build entirely from scratch. Number 4. Phantom X1. The Phantom X1, an iconic single-seat ultralight aircraft, has been captivating pilots and aviation enthusiasts since its introduction in 1982 by Phantom Aeronautics of Three Rivers, Michigan. Available in kit form, this aircraft was designed with an eye toward the ultralight market, adhering closely to the ultralight category with an empty weight just under the 254-pound limit. Its design legacy includes not only the X2 two-seater version, but also has influenced several other aircraft models such as the Bell Sidewinder, high-tech Hurricane 103, Golden Gate Mosquito, and worldwide ultralight Spitfire. The X1's debut at Sun and Fun in 1982 marked a significant moment, earning a major design award and setting the stage for a variety of manufacturing and derivative models. Its construction from aluminium tubing and Dacron sailcloth, along with options for folding wings and a variety of Rotax engines, showcased the aircraft's blend of simplicity, performance, and versatility. Despite its capability for aerobatics, tested to +9/-6.6 G before failure, it was never marketed as such due to liability reasons, though it boasts a fast roll rate thanks to full-span ailerons. The ongoing production of models like the Phantom Classic and Classic E, as well as the strut-braced Phantom 1, 1E, and 2, indicates the enduring appeal and versatility of this aircraft family. With its significant historical impact and continued relevance, the Phantom X1 embodies the spirit of ultralight flying, accessible, engaging, and endlessly fascinating. On barnstormers.com, there's a listing for a Phantom X1 project requiring minor work, such as a new windshield, fuel lines, throttle cables connection, and a general electrical review. The price for this project is $5,000. Another option available on Sky for Buy lists a 2009 Phantom X1 Ultralight for $7,500. This aircraft comes with a Rotax 582 engine and includes several extras, with 53 hours on the engine. The Phantom X1 series, including the Classic and Classic E models, along with the Phantom 1 and 1E, offer a range of features tailored to different flying experiences. Each model has specific characteristics like wingspan, max gross weight, engine options, top speed, stall speed, fuel capacity, and airframe kit prices ranging from $13,500 to $17,500. These aircraft cater to various preferences, balancing speed, capacity and price to meet the needs of ultralight aviation enthusiasts. Ultraflight Laser. The Ultraflight Laser, a trailblazer in the ultralight aircraft scene, emerged from Canada's innovative skies between 1979 and 1984. Dreamt up by Dale Kramer, inspired by the ultralights at the 1977 Oshkosh EAA convention, the Laser was a response to the limitations of existing ultralights. Kramer's vision materialized into one of the first twin-engine ultralights, featuring a unique design that included a custom airfoil, reverse camber, and early adoption of winglets, setting a new standard in ultralight performance and safety. With a design that prioritized gliding efficiency, reflected in its impressive 12:1 glide ratio, the Laser boasted gentle stall characteristics and optimized low-speed handling thanks to its high aspect ratio wing. Built from a mix of aluminium, foam, and initially covered in Mylar PET film, later replaced by more durable Tedlar PVF film due to UV sensitivity, the Laser showcased innovations like an inverted V-tail, twin Rotax 185 engines, and unconventional control mechanisms. These engines, initially chosen for their reliability in firefighting pumps, were positioned to minimize yaw in cases of single-engine failure, enhancing the Laser's safety profile. The Laser family grew to include several variants, with the pioneering Series 1 with its open cockpit and basic instrumentation to the Series 3 and Elite models, which introduced enhancements like widened landing gear, jury struts, and options for enclosed cockpits and more powerful engines. The Laser 2 emerged as a two-seat trainer, broadening its appeal and utility. Remarkably, the Laser achieved a level of popularity that led to it being the most registered Canadian aircraft type, a testament to its design and utility. This popularity was recognized in 2019 when Canada Post commemorated the Laser with a postage stamp, cementing its legacy in Canadian aviation history. Despite ending production in 1984 due to liability concerns, many Lasers continue to grace the skies, cherished by enthusiasts for their handling, efficiency, and the pioneering spirit they embody. For those interested in pioneering the electric ultralight sector, the E-Laser offers an exciting opportunity with kits priced at $20,000, excluding batteries, and fully assembled units at $25,000 plus the cost of batteries. Battery packs, providing around 1 hour of flight time and designed for at least 1,000 flight hours, are estimated at $5,000 to $6,000. Early adopters can secure a low serial number E-Laser with a $5,000 deposit, held in escrow until shipment. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest posts. Thank you for your support.